Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now I wanted to show you just quickly this. I was watching a man on here doing some die cuts, and he was making them out of serviettes. I did one and mine didn't work like his did. This serviette, I just put some colour around it. He was cutting them out. He was sitting them on the paper, on the cardstock, and cutting them out in your big shot or whatever he was using. And then when he did that, he coloured it in with paint, but he didn't glue anything, you know, and I didn't either, and mine come apart. His looked like it was still stuck together. But mine didn't work that good, that one anyway. So that was made out of just a white, ordinary white one. So I did the mushroom. I wanted to just show you what I've done. I'll give you a really quick look at how it works. This mushroom turned out really well. Maybe I should have put a shim in that one, because look at this. This is the actual full thickness, and I've chopped the middle out of the birdie to get the colour that I wanted, you know. And I'll put a bag behind that so you can see. And that just turned out so cool, didn't it? I'm sure everybody else has figured this out too, but you know what? It's something that maybe some of you haven't seen yet. So, but he did the white one, and then he painted his leaves and his plants. But you don't have to do that if you get a coloured one. That's what I'm not lazy. I also did this one. I cut this one out of serviette. You keep it folded in 4, and it still seems to be together. It doesn't seem to be going anywhere. Like it's pressed down. Oh, here's it coming undone a little bit here. One lady did comment, you know, did you put any glue on it? And I'm thinking, I don't know if maybe we should, you know, because it looks good, feels nice, but I wonder if it'll come unstuck eventually. I'm sure everybody will have an idea about that to tell me. I did cut out a window in this thing here because I want to try paper as well, like, you know. So I've got a lolly paper bag. And I cut it down, cut the back of it out here, and the top and the bottom. I took the whole thing apart in case you don't have any of this. It looks really cool actually. It's like a tracing paper, and I just used. Now you have to open it, of course, because you can't put it through your die cut machine with it shut, because it cut through both sides. So you got to open it, and then I'm thinking, yeah, that's not going to fit, and I'm holding it like this, you see, you know. Really clever today, me. And then I decided if I turned it that way, it'll work, see? So I can put it round here like this. Now I'm thinking about the next bit, which I don't know yet, because I'm not having too good a day. If you watch the first video, you'll probably realise that. But I'm thinking about putting something in there, in this back bit here, that will work with me mushroom. And I don't know yet what that's going to be, because I'm just not, like I said, I'm not having a very good day. I just wanted to show you how to do that. I wanted to actually do one more video, because I think tomorrow I might need to take a break again, because I need a bit of a rest, okay? It's been a very hectic week for me. My body's hurting really bad because I've overdone things, which, you know, well, if I wanted to tidy up my room, it's just, you know, and it all went wrong. If you watch the first video, you'll know. Anyway, now, the boho bead one I made. So I'm just going to show you how this works. You know, I showed you that bit, so I might as well show you how it works. And then it will, and I think there's a lot of things you can put through there. Let's use another part of this one, the blue part, and make a mushroom out of that bit. So you just want to put your things in where you know yourself which way they got to go. If you've got one of these, you know which way it goes together. Come here. Actually, I can't pick this up. I might do a little one as well. turn it around the side here, you can see what I'm doing. I'll take it out a bit wider. There we go. So I've got the, you know, you've got to put this bit on top of that bit, and then you put this on here. So there's a piece still stuck in here. I have to poke that through. I did have a piece of serviette still stuck on there. I don't think it's going to move off there. I really don't. But anyway, we'll see what happens. So you put that on that way, and you can put that on that way. And I'm not even going to come back and make another little one out of that, or that bit there, see, because you've got plenty of serviette, and you've got 4 layers, right? Then I put a piece of acetate, which is, oh dear, under there, no. Here it is. I use this for a shim, because I was going to try and cut acetate, but I don't know if I'm game. Right, now, we wind it through the right way, it might work, Sonia. Am I going through the wrong way? Yeah, I am. Sorry, it's all back to front to me now because it's facing the other way. It's a little bit hard to push through to start with, but not too bad. I mean, it's got to have some pressure on it, otherwise it's not going to work. Now that one went well. See, he came out really good. There's the baby one went good. I'll put that down before I drop it. And we're going to push this through here. Push out the holes. So I'm going to have the holes in it when I. That's cool, isn't he? Look, well, where are you? There's a mushroom. There you go. And this one. And it's good if you haven't got a piece of paper that you want to do it in anyway. Texture's nice though. It's all, you know, it's all fun to have a go at something different, isn't it? But he never stuck his together, and I don't know whether we should do that or not. So I'm going to have to. I'll come back on here in a day or two, and I'll show you how they're lasting up, and if they are. Now I've got it off there finally. Yeah. So otherwise, you'd probably have to put a bit of what's the name? Shake that off there. A bit of, you know, glue stick. Get a bit of glue stick and put it on it. So if I'm going to have another one of those, I might have another one of these over here, but they might not. It could be red on the top. Red on the top with a bit of black on it. I don't know. Won't fit there that way. Oh, that'll work. That'll look good, won't it? Yes. Mushrooms are all different colours, aren't they? They can be anything. Got that. There we go. Now we'll just throw this one through. So the white one was maybe not a very good quality, because I did pay $1 for a pack of, I don't know, 100 or something, 200 or something. I don't know, they could have 500 in there, but I don't know, where were they? Up here. I just buy these cheapy ones because they, you know, they're just for wiping hands and things. There's 100 in there, and maybe they're not a very good value, you know, like they might not be very good ones. So put this thing in here straight, so I need to make sure you go the right way this time. Come on, you have to give it a push just to go on. And I'm not behind it, I'm next to it, and it's making it difficult. Never mind, I don't have a lot of space on here, but we're doing the best we can, aren't we, under the circumstances. And I'll just take it back through so I can take it out of there. Rightio. Now I'm going to lift it down because it is in my way a bit. With the acetate cut. Oh dear, my game. I don't know if I'm game or not. We'll have a go. What do you reckon? I'll put that on there. Here I go. Shut my eyes. Go. Back. Might have needed a shim on it because it didn't seem like it was under much pressure at all. It didn't go right through, see, because it might have needed a. Actually, it doesn't look too bad just sitting there like that, does it? I don't think it'll pop out, no. Might not have been under enough pressure. Let's try it again. Just leave it alone, Sonny, but we'll have another go. And we'll put another piece of acetate in there on top. make it a little bit harder, so maybe it'll cut through it. I know it'll cut through because I've used it before to cut through things. Now this is better because it's really hard to get it through, so it must be doing something. What do you reckon? Think it's doing it? Did I get it this time? I don't think I did. No, it won't cut through that. It's too thick. But there's other weights of acetate, so it will probably go through a different weight. But I can use them as something. Maybe. I'm not very good at throwing things in the bin, but I'm learning. I'm learning. What am I doing? I'm going to push this through here and move the whole thing. Move the whole thing down on the floor. Okay. Where things are not supposed to be now that I've got places to put a lot of them. Rightio. Now we have lots of little mushrooms. Here's one here. So I showed you this. See, this come apart. It come apart. So, look. So it might have been the thing itself. Could have been anything. Could have been the person using it. You know, you never know, do you? So just me having a bit of a play around to see what I... So this would probably have to be a craft with me because I've got to do a few more videos because I'm way behind. I'm sorry about that. Well, see, that looks really cool, doesn't it? It really does. I really like them. I do. I'm really quite partial to that, how that worked out. I've got that one. I've got that one. Didn't realise I cut this many, did I? See, look at you, don't know what you're doing now. They didn't fall apart, did they? No, they're still the same. Different ones. And I've got 2 little ones, or 3. How many little ones do I have now? I should have at least 2. Oh, there's one there. How many people said, Sonia, look. Sonia's tired. Sonia's tired. Ah, dear. Yes, there we go. Look at that. Brilliant. Love them. And then, of course, the other side's really cool too, isn't it? Yeah. But anyway, so the bag's cut really easy, of course. And you should know that. So instead of just having these to use for your paper, you can use them for lots of other things, you know. Well, the serviettes are paper, aren't they? I don't know what these are, but they could be they're the posts that go in here. And so you could put that back in there too if you wanted it filled up. And I think I do, you know, because I reckon that'll look a bit better with the stump on it, don't you? I might put his stump back in there. Like so. Now I'm going to look at this and see if it's coming... Yeah, look at that. It's coming apart. Right. We might have to glue it. I don't know how the man got his to stay together. I know he didn't glue it. He never said he did. He never said he glued it. So, I mean, one layer would not be enough. It wouldn't be sufficient. Look, this is coming to pieces too. Could be the way I'm handling it. I don't know. But it would be dreadful if we did it and it just all fell apart on us, wouldn't it? But I was really wrapped in this idea. I really, really like it because when he painted the I tried to cut that one, it didn't work. When he painted the, I got that piece, it worked, okay. When he painted this serviette, it sort of went, bubbled a bit, you know. It lifted it up and made it nice and puffy. So I'll try and find him and put him in the link below so you can go over and watch it and see what you think about it. I was going to try an envelope, but I didn't get to that, did I? Now I've got things sitting all over my table, but I'm going to just leave it today because I just feel like I'm just too tired to do that. Probably shouldn't have made the video. I'm terribly sorry if I bored you a bit, but I just wanted to show you that, you know, you're just going to have a go at doing this. See, this is falling to pieces. So what about if you did put your glue stick in there and just glued it all first before you started? Wait till it really, really dries and then do it. I think the idea what he was looking for was the fact that it all puffed up when he was painting it. I think he discovered it doing something else, as we do sometimes, you know. But he painted it and it went all puffy and looked pretty good. So anyway, thank you everybody for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.